Welcome to the video service that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. Hi, my name is Martin, and we know the best way to learn is by doing. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing the anatomy of source lists. Even when the source list is in use, it's often not used to its fullest potential. We thought this unsung master data hero is worthy of our discussion. So Dr. Christie, why don't you tell us a little bit more about the anatomy of a source list?
Sure thing, Martin. The source list is truly a powerful tool in the procurement toolkit. If you ever hope to take advantage of any form of automation or the more strategic sourcing tools like contracts or scheduling agreements or quota arrangements, getting your source list in order is a definite prerequisite. In fact, one could argue that it's really a prerequisite for strong value out of the MRP run for buyers. Let's jump in so I can give you a tour of what that source list contains and how it's used. I'll highlight how we can monitor for exceptions and fix them. And lastly, what a well-maintained source list actually looks like. Come on, let's go take a look.
All right, let's jump right in and start to understand what the anatomy of a source list looks like. So you can see here, I am in ME01, which is the place that we go to maintain our source list. And if you're thinking about your journey towards purchase order automation, where there is less touches involved, you're letting MRP do more of the heavy lifting in order to get your purchase orders out the door. This is a good first prerequisite to being in a position to do that because it allows you to control what sources are assigned for that particular material. So I've got my material and my plant in here. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And that's going to pop me through to the actual source list. And yes, there are a variety of ways for you to be able to go in and maintain this, including just having the system go in and generate a record for you, or going in and maintaining multiple source lists at the same time. But in this case, what I want to do is talk through the actual anatomy of what it is that you're seeing here. So the first thing that becomes really important is the validity dates. So if you think about this is a record of eligibility of your sources. So which sources are approved to provide this particular product? Which sources do we want to have automatically assigned? And which ones do we want to have for reference? And you can control in the material master whether a source list is required or not. And when you get a little further along in your automation journey, you're maybe using scheduling agreements, contracts, quota arrangements, or even the functionality that will automatically convert your purchase requisition into a purchase order,